Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's going to be another beautiful baby shower balloon garland. I'd like to say a big thank you to You A Backdrop to sponsor this video, and if you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. So this is how I made this balloon garland. Very simple to make. Basically what I did is I used the same colors that you see in the backdrop, and I use a white, yellow, and a blue, and then I create a nice little strip using the balloon strips, which is my go-to. Very simple to use. Simply inflate your balloon, put it in, and that is basically it. And then you just go ahead and create your balloon garland. And I finished the look with the baby boxes. If you guys want to learn how to make this, I actually made a video a few months back, and I will link it down below so you can go ahead and have a look at that. But let's talk about the showpiece. The showpiece is obviously the backdrop, and I'd like to say a big thank you to You Backdrop to sponsor this video. And they sent me a couple of items, and I'm not going to show you the other ones. I'm just going to show you this one, because I made another video on a little elephant that I want you guys to go and see, so I don't want you to see it here. But I mean, look at this. The colors are like just pretty, they're vivid. I was very impressed about this. I mean, the quality is like really good. It's almost like silky because it's made out of microfiber. Anyway, that's what they say in their description. It's made out of microfiber, and it's so silky, and it's so easy to iron. I actually did the test. I ironed it because obviously they shipped it to me, so you have those little pleats, which is normal. But I said, let me see if I can go ahead and iron this. No problem whatsoever. And it's washable. So washing and drying, no problem. I tested out, so I can confirm that the product is nice. It didn't shrink, it didn't, like, it was the same as I got. I chose with the pocket at the top, but you can choose at the top and bottom or no pockets whatsoever. What I like about this is that you can use a rod, so it makes it nice and flat. But you can also purchase, they have like they call it a telescopic stand. They have a stand for it. So but to tell you the truth, you don't need it. In this video, I wanted to test it out and not put a rod. On my other video, I did put a rod, but this one I wanted to see if I don't have a rod, can I just glue this to my wall? Yeah. And I did the test, and it glued fine. Well, obviously you need a double-sided glue. I used balloon glue, and it was good quality, and I obviously put it all the way around, and no problem whatsoever. It stick to my wall, and that was it. Another thing that I like about the company is that it comes in different sizes, so you can choose your size. You can also custom make if ever you want a specific whatever written on your design. Yeah, you can have the name of the baby, the date, whatever you want customized, they can do it for you. And yeah, so it's really nice. I love it. It's so cute. Another thing that I like that I mentioned in my other video also is that it is meant for a backdrop, but actually, you know what? You can actually make this customized, well, obviously to your baby shower, but you can keep it after and put it in the baby's room. And yeah, just keep it like that in the shade. Make it like a shade for their room. So it's like really cute. So you can leave it open, obviously, when they're having a nap or sleeping at night. And then you get that like super cute, you know, design, and like I said, it's washable, so that's perfect. And then in the day, you just like keep it open like that. I mean, keep it closed or whatever. What's nice is that the client can keep it. If you're using it for your business, then make sure not to reuse a customized one. It's like common sense. But yeah, so a big shout out to You Backdrop for sponsoring this video again. And if you're interested, I would highly recommend them, and go have a look at their website. I will put all the information in my description box, and you can use code Liliana10 for a 10% discount. So that's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.